From your dashboard, click on Layouts under the Design section of the main menu. And here we're going to click on Add Layout to create a new record. Templates are shown to select from, including default predefined ones, your own creations, as well as templates from the Xibo Exchange. You can select a template to suit your requirements to make creating layouts even easier by skipping the need to add and configure regions and go straight to adding content. I'm going to select a blank template for the purpose of this training so I can demonstrate how regions can be added and edited. Once selected, scroll down and click Next. Now we need to give the layout a name, making sure it is identifiable when it comes to selecting it for scheduling. You can opt to save a folder to make it easier to share with other users or user groups. Layouts are designed to run on a particular resolution and will function best when shown on a screen with a matching resolution. Use the drop-down to select from the list. Further resolutions can be added from the Resolutions page under the Design section of the main menu. You can provide a description for other users, and you can also provide tags to further organise. If you wanted to collect proof of play stats or apply default transitions, you can set these using the Settings tab. Click Save and the Layout Designer will open. Over here is the Properties panel, and where you will see different options for each element of your layout as you work on it. You can toggle this panel on and off from view. As I am in the full layout view, I have options to add a background colour, or I can set an image to use. You can upload a new image to use using the uploader here, or you can set an image that has already been uploaded to the library. Click on the Library Image Search button over here from the toolbar to open. You can use the filters to narrow down searches to make it easier to return the results. And if you have the Pixabay integration enabled, you will also return results for Pixabay media to use. You also have the option to play a preview of the media to make sure it is the correct file by clicking the play icon here, and you can toggle to change window size. You can select to use by clicking the plus button here in the preview, or by selecting on the media file over here. You can also drag and drop, but we can click in the Add Background Image. We can click Save. We'll close the Properties panel and we can close the toolbar, and we can see that our layout now has an image for its background. As this is a blank template, we next need to add some regions. So click here to open the region editor. Notice that the window border turns orange. This is when it's in edit mode. Add a region by clicking on the plus button. You can think of a region as a placeholder for the content you want to show. You can use the resize handle here, and you can click in to select and drag it to your required positioning. Let's add another region. You could also use the Positioning tab from the Properties panel to give more precise positioning if needed. Click out anywhere of a region to save your positioning. Now we have the regions in place, we can exit the editor by clicking on the back button here. This returns us to the full layout view.